4 people were shot, 2 fatally at a bar in Sine, Orange District, St. James, Monday night. The deceased have been identified as 26-year-old Dean Hastings, a Juta tour operator, and 32-year-old Jamari Richards, a businessman, both from the parish. According to the police, the men were among a group of people playing bingo when they were ambushed by 2 men who opened gunfire. An alleged eyewitness described what happened.
First, I've never seen something like this in this area. I was just sitting around the table and I hear a shot blow and everybody just started to run.
The gunmen reportedly entered the business establishment and stole money before escaping on foot in the area. The victims were taken to hospital where Hastings and Richards died. The other 2 victims are in serious but stable condition. Other residents who declined to speak on camera say they were blindsided by the attack. Sine is a relatively peaceful community according to the St. James Police. The shooting has left residents traumatized and scared. No motive has been provided by the police about the attack.